Good morning. We got our Starbucks from yesterday in tow because we knew we would have to get up early. Good morning. I know the sun is really not even up. Bubba's. Frost, is it too early, baby? Good morning, Bubba's. You sweet tater tot. It is so early that everyone's Christmas lights are still on because like they're on timers or whatever. I love it though. I love the calmness of the mornings. Like I really do. I've just been sleeping in until like 8 a.m. which like is still pretty early, but not as I get used to my 6:30 in the mornings, especially when I go home. And when I say I go home, because this confuses everybody, I mean Canada, because I'm from Canada, as you can see. Granted, this is just a tourist shirt, but I love Miss Coco Bear wear. But yeah, so my parents have no chill. My dad's up at like 5 in the morning, and he's definitely one of those people who are like, oh, let me just bam pots and pans, because if I'm up, everyone should be up. All right, first stop before Canada is hotel for the night. This is at the Ramada. It is like this suite, so it has like a kitchen here, and then you can sit here, office area, bed, TV is here, which is a little weird, I'm not gonna lie to you about it. A little closet, me, hello, and then this is the bathroom. So obviously the bathroom part hasn't been, well, you know, sometimes it just gotta fall off, hasn't been remodeled, but everything else has. So here's where I am for the night. I have to do a little bit of rearranging because I have to fit this entire bag into there. We'll figure it out. Good morning. So this is my breakfast. They didn't really have a lot of stuff I can eat, so I just had some scrambled eggs and some fruit, and I did pack like a protein bar and stuff like that. It's 7:15. I slept great. It was up at like 6. These buses are cool. I have arrived to Terminal B. So there's an elevator. It was super crammed, right? I waited 2 seconds just to get in the next one. I got a whole elevator to myself. Thank you. Just kidding, I made it. So far, we're still on time. Always gets it's actually no luck. I ask. This whole thing was $10. I pre-bought it. This is a full size. What? Okay, it's very chaotic. I made it. I completely missed my first shuttle because my flight was delayed for like over an hour. Well over an hour. And they like gave me a refund and went, ha ha, you're on your own. So now I'm on a different shuttle, getting halfway home, and then I gotta figure that out. It's literally still snowing. So I was in charge of cookies. I was attempting to make my Nana's shortbread recipe. I have failed miserably. Hopefully they still taste good. Okay, update. They taste good. They taste the same. But my mom has now taken over. Beaky weaky. Oh, wait.
Tucker, sit.
Wait.
Tucker, sit.
Wait a second.
Oh, you're such a good boy, buddy.
Sit.
Oh, you're so good. You're so good, buddy.
No. Sit. Sit.
You're trying.
Sit. Stay there. Stay. Stay.
Tucker, look at me.
Stay.
Good
No.
job. I got it. Good boy, buddy. Take it, you little weasels.
Yep.
Brady, look here. Good boy. Good job. You're so good. Tucker, look at me. Tucker. Good boy. Good job. Oh, there's my girls.
Josie, sit.
There's my girls. Can you sit?
Josie, sit.
Can you sit your bum?
Sit. No.
Sit your butt.
Sit
Oh,
there.
don't sit on
Sit.
your sister.
Sit.
Oh my
Sit.
goodness.
Sit.
Oh my
Sit.
goodness.
Sit. Sit. When you sit down.
Joe, you're not a very good listener,
Sit.
sweetie pie.
No, but she sits this way. There we go.
Good girl.
No. Just sit there. Stay.
Josie.
Let him
Jojo.
come in.
Jojo.
She might-
Good job. I got all three. All right, guys. So I haven't been vlogging a lot, like at all. And I'm going to show you why in a second. Okay, so the plan is shovel it out. Like, it's cold, man. I miss my palm trees. I've used the dogs well. They helped me plow out a spot. All right. This is a deck. I don't know how we're gonna get out, but it's my mama shoveling away at the stairs.